Good morning students. In this video we are going to see the practice questions for the upcoming TNPSM for Combined Statistical Subordinate Service Examination. So let us start with the first question. The meaning of the word statistics is option A social state, option B economical state, option C political state, option D geographical state. So the correct answer is political state. The meaning of the word statistics is political state of a country. So option C. Let us move to the next question. The father of statistics is option A P.C. Mahalanobis, option B R.A. Fisher, option C Carl Pearson, option D John Grant. We all know very well the father of statistics is R.A. Fisher. Correct answer is option B. We move to the next page. So Ronald A. Fisher applied statistics to a variety of fields such as genetics, biometry, agriculture, psychology and education. He is known as the father of statistics. So let us move to the next question, number 3. The word statistics is derived from the Latin word. Option A statista, option B statistic, option C status, option D statis. So the correct answer is option C status. So for this question we should know for different languages what are the meanings for the word statistics. Latin word we are getting status, Italian word statista and German word statistic. For this particular question the word statistics is derived from the Latin word status. So option C is the correct one. So now we are going to move to the next question, fourth question. Who is the father of vital statistics? Option A R.A. Fisher, option B P.C. Mahalanobis, option C John Grant, option D Carl Pearson. So the correct answer is John Grant. Option C John Grant. Vital statistics means the study of birth and death. The father of vital statistics is John Grant. Move to the next question, number 5. Statistics is applied in option A economics, option B business, option C astronomy, option D all of the above. So for this particular question correct option is option D all of the above. Question number 6. The important limitations of statistics. Option A, it does not deal with qualitative data, it does not study about individuals, the laws are not exact, it may be misused. We move to the next page. And the last option is all of the above. So here the correct option is all of the above. Let us move to the next question. The meaning of the word statistics in plural sense is option A data, option B methods, option C information, option D both A and B. So in this question you should know the correct value. You should not take both A and B. For plural sense the meaning is statistical data and singular sense statistical methods. You should know as a plural sense what is the meaning of the word statistics and singular sense what is the meaning of the word statistics. Here the correct option is option A data for plural sense. So for the before questions also for the limitations of statistics you should know the correct limitations of statistics. One of the here for our we have taken all of the above option. There may be any two options also will be coming in your examinations. Question number 8. Classification of data according to year wise is called as option A geographical classification, option B chronological classification, option C qualitative classification, option D quantitative classification. So you should know for classification of data there are 4 different types of classification of data. These are the 4 different types of classification of data. So first one geographical classification of data. When we classify the data according to area wise then it is known as geographical classification. When we classify the data according to year wise it is known as chronological classification. When we are classifying according to some quality or attributes it is known as qualitative classification. And last one when we are classifying according to numbers it is known as quantitative classification. For the given question we are classifying according to year wise, so it is chronological classification, option B. We move to the ninth question. The row headings in the tabulation of data are called as option A caption, option B stubs, option C footnote, option D all of the above. So we know very well the row headings are called as stubs and column headings are called as captions. So for this question, the correct option is B, stubs. So we are to the last question of this video. For finding the mode value of the given set of data, the best graphical representation of data is option A Ogive curve, option B histogram, option C Lorentz curve, option D bar diagram. So we know very well for finding the mode value of the data, we can use the best method of representation of graphical representation is histogram. So for the preparation of this TNPS exams, I will be posting different types of videos. This is the part 1 video. We are having the examination on the January month for combined statistical subordinate service examination. For part 1 we have seen 10 questions. It will be continued every day. Thank you, students.